Hi, it's Rachel with WTI, and this is my VANMASS car cell phone holder. This thing is super sturdy. It doesn't move around even when we're riding on bumpy roads. I love it because it hugs the phone really well. You can see here. And then when I need to release it, I just push the button in the back right here, and it releases incredibly easily.
We've used different cell phones with this holder and it's held each one of them perfectly. Even on this crazy bumpy road, it's not going anywhere. Super easy installation. All you need to do is clean the window and then stick it on. And the suction is very good for extreme weather, -40 up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the most stable cell phone holder that I've ever used. It's not wobbly or rattling, and it holds the phone very securely because the cradle is nice and deep.
This car cell phone holder is incredibly sturdy. I love it, and that's my point of view.